to Learn to Code tutorials. In this session 4, we will learn about PowerShell profile. So let's get started. Before going through the PowerShell profile practicals, let us go through the documentation provided by Microsoft. So what is a PowerShell profile? So a PowerShell profile is a script that runs when PowerShell starts. You can use the profile as a logon script to customize the environment. You can add commands, aliases, functions, variables, snap-ins, modules, and PowerShell drives. You can also add other session-specific elements to your profile so they are available in every session without having to import or recreate them. In the profile, there are 4 descriptions that we will follow. One is all user, all host, and this is the path. All users, current host, current user, all host, current user, current host. So let's move to the PowerShell window. Let me run this command echo $ps home. So this is the home path of Windows PowerShell. Now let's run echo $home. So this is the path of C user Java admin. This is the path of the current user, we can say. Now let's run this command. $profile get member type node property. We can see that all users, all host, and its location. For all user, all path, its location is profile.ps1, and we can also see this location, which is the PS home, and the profile name we can say. If we run echo $profile, this will provide us the path C users, username, documents, Windows PowerShell, Microsoft.PowerShell_profile.ps1. This is for current user and current host. So if I want to test this path, it exists or not. So let me run this. So it is reflecting as false, means this path does not exist. Now we will try to getting this error whenever we are trying to run PowerShell. It's about the execution policy. Currently the execution policy is set to restricted. So if I run get execution policy, it will show restricted. Now if I run list, so it will show all the execution policy which is undefined and the scope. One is machine policy, user policy, process, current user, and local machine. So let me open PowerShell in administrator mode by pressing Windows X and pressing A, which will open the Windows terminal. Once the Windows terminal is opened, so let me run set execution policy bypass scope. I will give local machine. So it's done as of now. Now let me try to run PowerShell again. So we can see after setting this execution policy, we are getting all these details. Our profile script is ran, and we are seeing that welcome to ABC organization, today's date, welcome user Java admin, you are currently connected to work group, you are currently connected as user HP laptop / Java admin, and loading personal and system profiles took the time in milliseconds. So this is a very small brief tutorial on profile. So hope you like this video. If you get any information from this video, please share, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.